So in this scenario, let's imagine we're a park service. Field operations specialists are responsible for things like trail maintenance, facility inspection, safety checks, and general upkeeping across different parks and recreation areas. After completing work at a site, the specialist needs to document what was done, what conditions were observed, and whether any follow-up work is required. That information is important, not just for record keeping, but also for planning future maintenance and ensuring safety standards are met. To support that process, we have here on our operation record and object, we have a operation report button. And when the field specialist is on site using Salesforce Mobile, for example, they can click on that button and open the record for the work order that has been assigned to them and have it be opening up the pre-filled form with everything that they need. That information about the park, assigned work order details, and any other relevant context that they need, all pulled from Salesforce, from those multiple records in Salesforce into here. And what's especially useful in this scenario is that we can also capture who clicked the button and their details so that the form automatically knows who clicked it, which specialist is completing the work, and they don't need to re-enter any of their details. It's all already in here for them. So all the specialist needs to do is just come in here and quickly enter in all of the details about the work performed, add any of their observations from the site, and note if any follow-up actions may need to be required, so that once this form is submitted, that information can all be sent back to Salesforce, where it can update that work record, create follow-up tasks, notify the appropriate teams, and help maintain a complete history of the work performed at that specific location. And once again, all that happened was just clicking that button to do all of that and allow that form to have the context it needs so that that field specialist can just focus on their work and quickly documenting what was done without taking the time to re-enter information we already know and already exists in Salesforce.